want to take it in all about. You're not to work, but you're not short.
So what go on PP, it's a boy Brandon here from Reggae Vibes Media. And you know say any of the vibes there, reggae vibes are there. And tonight the vibes there, holy smokes, you know say a karaoke night. Girls them a roll out, the dogs them a roll out and a beer vibes. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button. Like, comment, share. You do it already? Forward now please.
I'll be able to get my age. No for them fast and not carry my weight. Mariana tell me that she give. That silence here, block chance, yo. Alright.
Come again. If you me late, and I'm
hold on, make you match you, man, kill it. All them can't find out. Listen me. Baby, you really stop already. You need to tell me so you really stop already. The steam fishing on your back door already. I ain't tell me. I can't find out.
Yeah, no one what? I'll be dead for. Eliminate any hope. Rise up, be right. Go where I go.
No boy. I'm saying girl forget fuck. Bad man no watch girl. We no watch a pussy. We no love on our chat girl from girlfriend. I don't can't find out. Watch it. Kill it. Hey, to me no ain't nothing boring. Them a walk and a talk to me. Every night when I should be morning, boy come and talk up in Bigfoot. Them boy they act. Love me and cut you. We don't ever tell him now, cause he feel like so don't do me now. You remember tell him so now. Listen.
I just got started.
What you think one around can do?
Hey, listen. You want to take it in all about. You're not to work, but you're not short.
You're not speaking on my mouth. I'm not speaking in my mouth. So make a put down this mic. You're not speaking on my mouth, sir.
We don't do this.
That is a little bit too nasty for me.
No, we don't do that.
So me is not like that.
It's just a song. Me a driving from Beijing with a phone and the marijuana. Police pull me over, sent to the car and me saw where you want. What that me smell boy? What that green somebody and no color? You must go and see boy. Listen up, listen. Hey, yo, hey, if you just lean on the head like a couple. Hey, yo, anybody want to snap? They show us some way to go to the bar. No, that's wrong. Lali, shot and tally, Lali, can't bally, Lali, shot and tally, Lali, can't bally. I'm say what's that sale, what's that sale, what's that sale, what's that sale. How much you drink? How much you drink? I got with you now.
Them now shut a soul, tough up like them all cool, but I beat them big pussy hole, them now shut a.
Well, I know I'm getting like that. Mix man from 90s, back at the end, you know what that.
talk, boy.
Full of girl like head bang. And come like baby, me the pan the next time. Come on, man, tell you when I hear that song.
She never taste me, she got me a pressy. Gunshot kick out them face like Messi. Up the clock so them can't access it. What you do? Never chase like what? You're the foundation of the book.
This real bad man, that's what I like in the end.
Yeah.
But I pray for the matter piece of a pony. I think like pretty good up on the face I come in up on the ransom. Let me tell them, hey. You don't care where you're bad from. I need it where you're back from.
No, you're mad, we not going to the chat. Them things they have a relation to that, yo. No, you're mad, we not going to the chat. But the whole of them will make them lose their blood, yo. No way.
Hold on.
Big up London every time. You know why? Watch out. Hey! Smoke on the Glock. So the thing sound when they clap. Good night.
Alright, walk on people. Roma chase eyes, place nice, so you know say a beer vibes, you know the vibes, the reggae vibes there. So you know say right now there with Desha Rivers, walk on.
Walk on, you good?
Yeah man, I'm good, you good?
Yeah man, I'm there easy, you know?
We are looking forward to tonight.
Well, honestly, I always come here on Thursday because I like the karaoke vibe and the hookah and the liquor. You see me? I love the hookah. Alright, so I can recommend the hookah to anybody because it's very smooth. It like, you know, make you choke. You know them look, yeah, it's smooth bad. So, Hookah Island.
So I can see up on the stage?
No, I'm too shy for that.
You too shy?
Yeah, I can dance, I love dance, but for sing and talk.
So I mean you don't play the bungs, them and something up on the stage?
Yes, I can dance. But I can do it.
So you have anybody you want to big up?
Yeah, you don't know, big up the whole ravers, of course. Big up my cousin Tori, because she work with Hookah Island. Big up Hookah Island. Big up BB Tuesday, 420, and my daughter.
So, what can you expect from Desha Rivers? More new dances?
Yeah, definitely more dances, and a whole heap of businesses coming forward. So, for 2023, I just bear success and bear madness.
Alright, that's why I get Desha Rivers. I wish you all the best.
Alright, thank you.
Money get pop, one place get hot. Rinse out everything out of it. I love point that I'll jump in a boy head back. A shot man with a tall mini cage in a shots. Rolex touch from me hand. Rich and God, change running board from the Taurus and it's a old one. You got big bumper. It goes like come and then drop.
So yeah people, I'm just come off on stage. What on, how you feel?
You want to feel good, you know? Regular karaoke vibe.
So you know, I'm taking music things here, because I have a piece of voice to you know.
No man, you know me I take time go and work on it, you know? Me think take time.
You inspire me to write this, no you gone. I miss you so much. Like you never part when them take you from home.
Put the cookie in your face, slide your nose like a credit card. Hop on top, I wanna die, I wanna kill. When I get fired, put in my mouth, look in my eyes. Go to the dog, tell me up. That's a prize, that's a play. I want you to point that big fat chop. Right, it's like a ride. Make it cream, make it scream. Hey, you don't make it hot. Now get your boots in your coat, but it's wet. Now get a bun in the mouth, but it's wet.
Raindrop, smoking and cooking a hot box, fucking in the chair like that. Women are up in the ground that hey, we can run out to something, nigga. I don't think nobody get the trigger. Call up the gang to come and get you. All time, my bitch is bad and bougie. Cooking up with the ooze. Oh, hey, if y'all split with my mom and G's boy, you know, come on. I should run, man. Hold on. Hey, be a boy, I'm talking, nigga.
people there are holy smoke, so you know, say a karaoke night. And as we say, you know the vibes, the reggae vibes there. You know, enjoy yourself?
Yeah,
man, vibes loud,
it's
man.
good, it's great.
Really.
So now look forward to you tonight.
Just more great singing, you know, more good food, just overall good vibes, you know.
Well, I'm gonna sing, so.
Oh, you're gonna sing?
Yeah.
Wow. Which song do you have in mind?
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise? Wow, so we should catch you on camera then.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, so you have anybody that you'd like to big up?
Hi, mommy. Hi, daddy.
Oh, he's a soldier.
Big up in a mummy, you know, say I love you always. Yeah?
No, man. Outside.
Get you went from get her to said it. I was richer, let me with you. Ain't that some shit? I got this pain in my chest, like a wood shoes and fence with the
So now enjoying yourself?
Yes, we are. It's my birthday. Yeah, it's a good vibe.
Whose birthday? Oh, happy birthday, and I hope you live to see many more.
Thank you.
Oh, is this song already? What song did you sing?
We did Spice Girls for the team, right? And then Troy did Smooth, and Lopo did Return on the Mac.
Oh,
We expect Hollywood to be calling. We expect Hollywood to be calling soon.
alright, so give me a piece already to sing now because I'm in another song there. Why not?
Because I work in
You?
a group.
You work in a group?
Let the team down. We came as a team.
Jano, sir. Alright, eh?
Don't let them leave.
Alright. Alright, so since you don't want to perform, I don't have anybody who want to big up?
I want to pick up Shells on her birthday. It's been many years. She deserves all the best.
Anybody you want to big up?
All my friends, I love them. They really showed up for my birthday, and I really appreciate them.
Alright, thank you. And again, I hope you live to see many more and enjoy the rest of your night.
All right, thank you. Bye.